How to fix WhatsApp status not showing problem. Now follow my step to solve this problem. Click on 3 dots. After click the 3 dots, then click on setting. Then click on chats. After click the chat, then click on chat backup. And now click on backup. After some processing, go back to home screen and now click on setting. Scroll down and now click on apps. And now click on manage apps. And now click on search apps. And now search WhatsApp. And now click on app permissions. And click on camera. And click on allow. And now back. And click on storage. And click on clear data. And now click on clear cache. And click on OK. This is how we can solve the problem of WhatsApp status not showing.